The agents work from the context you give them, and there's two ways to give it: artifacts and the codebase. In this video, I'll set up both. Artifacts first. An artifact is any file you bring in for context, whether it be a document, a transcript, an email thread, even an audio file. I'll add a couple here, and then every agent in every module can search and read them. You can upload them or drag them in, and organize them as the project grows. Now the codebase. Software Factory connects through a GitHub app. I install it, authorize it, and I'll go and pick the Ledger Plus repo, which is the repo that I want to target for this project. If you have multiple repositories, we do support multi-repo indexing. Then the index automatically runs. It builds a searchable map of the code, the files, and how they all connect. Once it's indexed, any agent can search the code. That's how you give the agent context for the project. If you've got any questions, the docs are at 8090.ai/docs, or you can reach us on Discord or at factory-support@8090.ai. Thanks for watching.